Jack.
Klondike.
Like so, Barney.
Don't look around. You keep Klondike, and go and do something in the meantime. Go ahead. Move yourself a little.
Before you end, when your mom is in here.
End with him.
So you go, Klondike, when mom, just come to me. Now, perhaps you didn't copy it out.
Look, you remember how we did it the last time.
Perfect. You could chew.
We were down here, and you were sitting with your back, and Klondike, Mama, you try, Mama, Klondike, Mama, Klondike.
Yeah, and then you
See her doing that in a home in about 10 more years. See her doing that in an old folks home in about 10 more years. When you guys are visiting.
So yeah. So you can do that again, and then she'll see blow the whistle when we
You
get
got
it.
it?
Right, so yeah.
Mama, I'm Klondike. Mama, you put you away.
You go over there.
Mama.
Mamma mia, let me go.
And after 6, does that come on? Cut the cap. After
that.
When he says no, 6, it don't mean that.
Again, yeah, exactly. So you start off.
After his last scream, you come.
Yeah.
Like so, 5 minutes.
Ah, you fruit. Go toot your goddamn horn out of here. Must think they're running a stinking
Let's
sweatshop.
lie down now.
It's working overtime stuff. Get your tasks done or come back after supper. Goddamn machine got stuck. Delivered sabotage, he calls it. Sabotage his guts. What happened to you this morning?
Well, I got an awful pain in the back of my neck, and I flipped out. When I came to, I was lying in the hospital, and they were sticking a needle up my arm. Say, what does plus 4 mean?
Christ, me.
Pocket humors.
No, is it bad?
We're in swell society, Butch. A lunatic in a case of the sick.
The sieve? Nah, it don't mean that.
Cut the cackle in there.
I think
It's after lights.
maybe he should have lost it again. There's a point there that he could start
No,
yelling
listen,
more.
no, leave it. Nothing
enough?
is done. Cut it because you are cackling. And he's telling
Okay,
you.
all right.
Go ahead, Charles. Cut
Double
it.
check.
Cut the cackle in there. It's after lights.
God damn it, can't you see he's blowing his top?
Yeah, get him out of here.
Nah, he's putting on an act. You take another trip to Klondike, sailor. It won't be on a round-trip ticket.
It's Klondike that got him like this, Schultz. Been raving ever since you brought him upstairs. You must have cooked the brains out of him down there.
Dummy up. The lot of you. One more squawk, and I'll call a strong arm squad.
Mr. Schultz, what does plus 4 mean?
Well, I wasn't scared of losing all my copper. I reached through the grass and bastard rattled that teapot.